Oh, hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I am going to be showing you how to make an automatic item sorter, which is going to be this, except none of this complicated redstone and none of this rails. This is just another whole entire piece I'm working on. It's just going to be that of everything that's on screen. And knock that water tube. Yeah, okay. And then after that, I might show you how to build this really simple thing that launches you to the top. And then you can go on your way to your brick house. And then when you want to leave your brick house, you just go back down and it'll take you down. So if we have time, I might show you how to build that. If not, no time, I'll show you in another video. But right now we're going to be working on this. So now the things you will need. The things you will need are a dropper, block of quartz, or no, a random block, glass if you want to, chest, redstone torch, redstone repeater, redstone, hopper, and redstone comparator. That's all the things I think you'll need. Now, for Java Edition, this redstone here might be a little different. And now guys, when I learned how to do this, I'm like, oh my god, it's complicated. Once you learn it, it's really not complicated at all. And so now to making it. So first what you're going to want to do is I'm going to build it a little elevated. So you're going to want to make an X out of your block of choice. And then place this like that. I'll let you guys do that if you're a little caught behind. Right. Now what you're going to do is you're going to place a dropper there. Nope, wait. A dropper out here. So, now for the redstoning. No, you're going to place one block of quartz out there. And then now you're going to want to place a redstone comparator facing into this block right here. And then redstone dust there, redstone dust there, redstone repeater there, and then one block here, and then like that. And just make sure that works by throwing a random item in there. And yeah. There we go. So just chuck any item in there and make sure it dispenses it out. So then you're going to take your glass if you chose. No, you're going to take your random block of choice and you're going to build a 3 platform out about maybe to here. Out from this dropper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out 6 from that dropper. And then you're going to take your glass, or if you didn't get glass, you just use your block of quartz. Really doesn't matter. And you're going to build a cross like this. And then you can place your random block of choice or glass. I'm going to use glass. It has to be on over this dispenser like that, or you can do it around like that. By the way guys, I am using a texture pack for my glass just to make it so the glass is a little easier to see through without the lines. So you can place it like that, like that, like that, or maybe you can place a wall like that. Now yeah, like that. But I'm going to place it like this. Now what you want to do is, oh yeah, I forgot an ingredient. You're going to need water. Right? That's like one of the important things. So now what you're going to do is you're going to break 3 holes. I'm going to do 3. Actually, I just realized something. You're going to extend this out by 1 more and then close that off. Now you're going to want to make 3 gaps or 2 gaps or 1 gap if you're only sorting 1 item, 1 gap, 2 items, 2 gaps, 3 items, 3 gaps. I'm just going to do 3. And then you're just going to want to fill that in like that so you can... Actually, the hoppers are going to face into those blocks. And then you're going to place blocks down like this. And then you're going to do the hoppers in like that. Now you can place chests here. I just realized you're going to need to break that. So now you can open the chests. And then you're going to add a hopper down here. What this hopper is going to be for is if someone throws in an item that's not like in the system, then it's just going to get put into this chest. So that's going to prevent it from breaking. So you can do that. I'm just going to make it so it doesn't look weird and so it's not floating, I mean. There we go. If you guys are catching up, now would be a good time to do so while I'm stalling. Alright, now back to work. Okay, so now what you're going to do is... Actually, yeah. You're going to need to break these blocks back here and then place blocks out here by 3 and then 1 on the ground like that. Now you can break this for now. Wait a minute. Is that supposed to be? Yeah, okay. Now you're going to place your redstone comparator out like that and then 3 redstone along the top there. 3, I don't know what I meant. And then you're going to place your glass back. Now what you're going to do is you're going to place, actually, to make this easier, I'm just going to break this and place redstone comparators, redstone repeaters there, I meant. And I just remembered something. You're going to want to pull that by 1 tick and that by 1 tick. No, 2 ticks. And then you're going to place 3 blocks like that. I'm just going to dig under here. And then redstone torches like that. Now, the redstoning is done. So you can get rid of all your redstone unless you're unsure that something is broken. You aren't going to need the chest or the dropper. Don't know if you're going to need those or not. Now you can place your water down, make sure it flows all the way to the end. And, oh god, that's really annoying me that it's like that. That's slanted. Aha, I can't fix that. Right, now what you're going to do is you're going to get, you can get either, I know, slabs. 1 minute. I have a glitch that sometimes when you click it, it doesn't work and you have to close the inventory and open it back up again. You can either choose slabs of any kind. I'm going to use the slabs. You're going to want to get like, I don't know how many slabs if you're in survival mode. Or you can get cobblestone, but I'm going to use slabs because that's what I know 100% works. I don't know if it works in Bedrock Edition because I know it works in Java, but I'm not sure for Bedrock. I don't even know if it works in Java anymore. I should probably stop talking. Alright, now you're going to want to get the items you're sorting. So I'm going to sort redstone. I'm just going to grab items. And lava, no, you can't do lava. You can't do any of these buckets or things that only come in pairs of 16. Or you have to have at least 41. And you'll see what I mean. So you can't do records, buckets of something, not even empty buckets. And you can't do ender pearls and that stuff, yeah. And I don't know, yeah, things that stack to 64. Those are the only things you can do. Okay, and we're gonna sort some books. And my pistons and my sticky pistons. There we go. So, now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take the item you're sorting, put it in there. You need to be quick and do that. And then watch it and make sure it drops and stays at 41. Like that. Okay. And do the exact same. I'm going to move these up to the top. And put those in and quickly do that. And then I'm going to put that in and quickly do that. So you're going to need around, I'd say around 20. So let's just make sure. Yep, that's all working. Right. Now, you can start sorting. Actually, you're going to need a hopper and a chest. I just realized. You're going to just do that. There we go. So now let's get redstone and that stuff. Now, and if you want, you can grab some other random thing that isn't in your item source system. So first you're going to want to test that dispenses that out, and that it doesn't go into those hoppers. It only goes into this one, or that chest. Now if I put these in, zaboop, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and that, and that, and that, and more of this, and that. There we go. So it all should be making its way into the chest that has right stuff. So if we wait a little bit, yep, that would fill up. So yeah, pretty quick, and the only downfall is you hear that ticking, which is now stopped because all my items have been sorted. So you can see all of the items are gone through. Now, it's okay if one of the items gets caught in there. I suggest leave it in there because it's fine, but it will get caught in there, but it's perfectly okay. So, yeah, this is it. It's pretty simple. And to add on more modules, you just grab yourself these and extend it out one. Then basically just extend this. I'm just going to block off that. Let's just grab that. There we go. Let's do that. Bop. Bop. And then you're going to need to place your hoppers, which I actually need to keep that blocked off then. Actually not. There we go. And then you can place that there. And then get your blocking item. Actually, I think, but I'm not sure, it can be any item that is your blocker item thingy. So we're going to sort coal in this one. So put your item in there and then put your blockers in there. And then watch it, make sure it drops down to 41. And now it should be good, all sorting well. So that's how you add on more things. And then you can either have it like this, where the items that don't work in, that aren't in the sorting thing, you can either have it go into this chest, or you can get ice and signs and make it move around here and just go up maybe and then loop so it just drops back down there and just loops round and round until you grab it back. So sadly guys, we ran out of time in this episode and I'm not going to be able to show you how to make this, although it is fairly simple. Maybe I can just show you guys the rest. 1 minute. I hate these new wandering traders. I mean, they give you good deals, but I hate when they just invade your place. Get out of here. I hope I didn't mistake them as one of his llamas and not one of my llamas, because I have one of my llamas wandering around here. Where is he? Don't ask me, because I don't know. But you guys might be able to just, here, pause the video in about 5, 4, 3, yeah, pause the video now. No, now, and just look at that redstone and you'll be able to do it. So, yeah, that one's pretty simple. The timing might be different. If you have it going higher or lower, there will be less repeaters. If you have it going higher, there will be more repeaters and stuff like that. And but that's the end of this video, guys. Wait a minute, time, set, day. There we go. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. I please do hope you enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Goodbye, guys, and have a great time.